Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to create amazing Moody Brown with Lightroom mobile tutorial. Moody Brown is a very viral Instagram Moody. So I think made tutorial about this. So without any waste of time, let's get started.
Hello girls and boys, ready? Let's begin.
Alright guys, so let's get started. So first I am choose these photos. Okay. So click on first light tool and don't touch exposure. Okay, jump on the contrast and increase contrast is positive 22. Now click on highlight tools and decrease highlights negative 96. I think 96 is looking better. Now click on shadow and decrease shadows negative 12, and now jump on the white tool and increase, and I think decrease white negative 10 is good. Now click on the black tool and increase black. I think 11 is perfect, 11 and 12. So I think 11 is so perfectly than 12, so I think 11 is good. Now click on the color tools and increase its temperature, but don't, if you increasing temperature then see yellowish is more, so don't increase temperature, decrease its temperature is negative 1 and 2. I think 1 and 2 is better. Okay, now click on tint and don't increase tint more than, only just a touch, 1 is good. Now increase its vibrance is positive 71 is good. Now click on the saturations and I think don't increase saturations, decrease its saturation is negative 40 and 41. I think 40 and 41 is so good, so I think 40 and 41 is good. 40 and 41 is very good, so 41 is good. Now again click on the light tool and click on the curve, and this is very important parts of editing, so do this very carefully. Okay, color mix and play with colors. So first choose red colors and increase its hue is positive 8. Now click on the saturation, decrease its saturation is 29, negative 29 and 28 is good. Now click on the luminance and decrease its luminance is negative 36. Now click on the orange tool and decrease its orange color. So click on the orange is hue of orange is negative 4, and now click on the saturation is negative 20 is good, and now click on the luminance is negative 16 is good. Now click on the yellow tool and the hue of yellow is negative 75. Okay, done. Now click on the saturations and the saturations of yellow is negative 88 and 87 is good, so I think you done it. 88. Now click on the luminance of yellow and decrease its luminance is negative 20 and 22. 20 and 22 is good. Now click on the green tools and decrease its hue is negative 100, decrease its saturations is negative 70 7 and click on the luminance and decrease its luminance is negative 51. Now click on the aqua tool and decrease its hue is negative 46 and 45 and decrease its saturation is negative 86. I think 86 is looking good, so click on the 86. Now click on luminance and decrease its luminance is negative 57. Okay, this is done. Now click on the blue tools and don't touch hue of blue, and now jump on the saturations and decrease its saturations is 79. Negative 79 is good. Now click on the 79 and 78 is good, and click on the luminance is negative 43. I think 43 is good, so click on the 42 and 43. Or now click on the pink and magnetia. So click on the pink and decrease its saturation is negative 100, and click on the magnetia and decrease its saturation is negative 100. 100 and 100. Negative 100 is good. So all thing is done in colors, and add some effects of this photo. Before and after. So now add some effects in this photo. So click on the effects tab and increase its clarity. So increase its clarity is negative 26 and 27. So sorry, positive 26 and 27 is good, and increase its dehaze. Dehaze is positive 20 is good, and this is looking perfectly. And don't touch it vignette. Add some grain amount. So only grain amount is 4 and 5. 4 is good, and add some split tones. This is very important, second important part of your photos. So do this very carefully. So click on the highlights tool and hue is 4. Adjust 4, and the saturations is hue is 4 and the saturation is 10. 4 and 10. First highlight is hue is 4 and the saturation is 10. Now click on the shadows, and the shadows is H45. H is 45 and the S is 10. H is 45 and S is 10. Now click on done. So now click on the sharpening tools and increase its sharpening. So sharpening is positive 25, and don't touch any tools. This is looking perfectly. Now all thing is done. Now all thing is done in this photo. Now you see the effects before and after. This is looking really good. Now click on 3 dots and save to device in Alright guys, I have made presets for you. So now click on the presets. If you don't want to apply this setting, so you can use my presets. This is absolutely free for you, and the download link in the description. Go and download this. So click on copy settings, click on OK, and go to back, choose your photos, and now add this and click on the paste settings. Now see the effects, boom, in one click. Just this is very moody brown look, just in one click. Okay guys, thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for latest and more updates. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.